Hi, welcome back to our online preparation course. This time, we are going to continue getting prepared for the reading section of the test. In this module, we are going to start covering questions related to vocabulary. These are also questions that are easy and time-saving. Okay, so you should take advantage of this preparation so you can learn how to answer these questions fast and correctly. Okay, so we are going to start with the first case of vocabulary, and it is textual cues. Okay, and what happens at times, we get really frustrated when we cannot understand some words in the passages. But there are some situations in which the definitions are included in the same passage. For example, let's analyze this passage. Just as I said, it is important that we first read the question and then find the answer on the passage. So, number 1, in behaviorism, in line 2, a psychologist is concerned with. Okay, if you notice, they are giving you the line in which the word is included. So this, you have to learn how to use it on your own benefit. You go automatically to line 2, where the word behaviorism is, and if you notice, you have a hyphen. After the hyphen, you have the definition of the word. This is one of the ways in which we can find definitions of words on the TOEFL test. If you notice, we have 4 options for the question: conscious thought patterns, unconscious thought patterns, observable actions, and unobservable actions. So as I said, after the hyphen, you have the definition for the word behaviorism. And it says, the belief that the role of the psychologist is to study behavior, which is observable rather than conscious or unconscious thought, which is not. So, by reading that, we can determine that the meaning of behaviorism is letter C, observable actions. So if you notice, the definition of the word is included on the passage. Let's look at another example. The question says, what is positive reinforcement in line number 7? Again, they are giving you the line in order for you to find the word easily. So, you have line 5, so it is easier for you to find line 7. So, we identify where positive reinforcement is, and we read the sentence. He came to believe that positive reinforcement such as praise, food, or money were more effective in promoting good behavior. Okay, so if you notice in this case, the author is giving you examples in order for you to know what positive reinforcements are: praise, food, or money. So, we can conclude by using these examples that positive reinforcement is a reward. Okay, because they are positive things that are given to people. Okay, so let's look at another example. And the question says, what is negative reinforcement in line number 9? Again, don't forget that the passage gives you the line, it gives you line 5, and it will be easier for you to identify line number 9. Okay, so let's find the word. Of course, remember to find the key word in the passage. And we have negative reinforcement in number 9. And it says, he came to believe that positive reinforcement such as praise, food, or money were more effective in promoting good behavior than negative reinforcement or punishment. So if you notice, another way, besides using hyphens with definitions or examples, is to use a synonym or a definition after a comma. Okay, they are restating the idea in order for you to understand better what the word means. So in this case, we have 4 options: a promotion, a reward, a surprise, or a punishment. So, by reading the example, we can determine that the word negative reinforcement is a punishment. It's letter D. Okay? So, if you learn how to identify these textual cues, like for example, definitions after hyphens, or for example, examples, or restatements of ideas after a comma or after an or, it would be much easier for you to determine the meaning of words. And you can use these tools for your own benefit. Some common questions for you to identify vocabulary words are: what is the meaning of, which of the following is close in meaning to in line X. Okay, so now let's review the different steps that we need to follow in order to determine the definitions for vocabulary. First of all, remember, you have to find the word in the passage and take advantage of the number of lines that they are giving to you. This is going to help you answer faster. Then locate the structural cues, as I said, for example, hyphens, definitions, examples, and also restatements of the ideas. After that, you have to read the part of the passage after the structural clue carefully, and of course, then choose the best answer. Okay? So now go to the practice section and put in practice this way of finding vocabulary definitions. See you next time.